It's what time is it? 8:25 p.m. We're waiting for our bus to go to Naiya. Look at that. Our bus is still not here because our parents are kind of early. Our bus arrives at 10 pa. It's 8 pa lang. So yeah. Say bye.
Oh my god, ang dami.
Teo. Really? It's madami inside? Teo. You're sick. One. Guys, it's what time is it, One? It's oh wait, I have two phones in my pocket. It's 3:20 and our flight leaves at 7:10 pa. So yeah, I'm pretty bored. I don't know what to do. I do not know what to do. But I wanna go get some McDonald's because I'm hungry now. Kasi, oh my gosh, ang gulo ng hair ko. Sorry. So sorry. Guys, my dad wants to eat at Tapa King. Kaso, I want Makto. Pero sige. It's fine. What? Guys, rewards. Believe me, girls. Say hi.
Oh, this one.
旅客请照看好同行小孩及长者，并时刻留意四周环境，以免发生意外。谢谢配合。
Ano mo ako? I-WhatsApp mo ako. Unable to, ano?
What pa-enable? Ooh, I want an onigiri. Me too. It's for, I don't know. What does that say? Is that for $2? I don't know. I want an onigiri. What is this? What flavor is this? Is this shrimp? Oh, it's shrimp. It's shrimp, you guys. It's shrimp. May ice cream? I don't want to eat ice cream. Guys, I don't know how much that is. Guys, this is our first purchase in Hong Kong. Give it to me. $27. It was $27. Oh my god, they're expensive. I don't have money anymore. Thank you. Are there ice creams here? What do you want?
Like,
This is the peeling gummy, oh. Which one? Look, you wanna get this? What is this? It's crazy. It's a croissant. Guys, we're done with immigration. Sinabi po sa plane, sabi niya po, carousel number 3. I'll say it again. Carousel number 3. Sabi niya po. Oh, okay. See, I pay attention. It pays to pay attention. I'm just kidding. Alam niyo ba guys? I ate an onigiri. It had...
Pwede ko kaya ito kayo.
Siguro, kay Teo yan eh. It was the best onigiri I've ever tasted before. It had like, shrimps. Tapos yung shrimp, naka-coat siya into like, in this like, diba? Naka-coat siya in this like, ano yun, like,
Ay, pwede pa ako kumain ng ganito?
later na in the car, tapos yung shrimp naka-coat siya in this like white sauce. It was amazing. It tasted like cheese. It tasted like, I'm gonna check if they have that near our hotel. We've been walking now for a long time. Doon pa kami galing. We have to get to number 3. nandito pa lang kami sa 8. Yeah. I'm so tired. And then after we get our bags, there's a car. A car is gonna come pick us up, and then it's gonna drop us off at the hotel. And then I think we're gonna go gallivanting after. Gallivanting! Say hi. So yeah. There's a Starbucks like at the lobby of our hotel, and I'm gonna buy that later. Yeah, you didn't know? Bro, you could have searched it, you know? My sister. I don't know the name too. I forgot. The color of their taxis are green. Look at their cabs. Oh no no no! Look, oh, there's green and then there's red. Look, oh, oh that's so cool. Okay, we're in Hong Kong. We're in Hong Kong. Guys, look at all their taxis. It's color red. And there's color green then. It's nice.
My hair is stuck.
Your sandals, let's take a picture of this.
Ay, mga Pinoy.
She's singing! Say bye.
Kumanta siya, kumanta. Bye. Bye.
We're waiting for the car now. They're loading. That's not ours, pe. Those are our things. But the car is still not here. So yeah. Come hold out his hand.
How many days?
Go inside. Go. Say hi.
Hi.
Guys, look. We're in Hong Kong. Guys, look at their vending machine. It's touchscreen. Oh my gosh. I want to get a Kinder Bueno. Oh my gosh, that's so. Ah, you're gonna pay with the octopus card. We're at the hotel now.
Hello.
What flower? What flower?
I think there's a cafe. Ooh, what do they sell here? Hi. Do you have a menu? No, just a drink. Yes. Thank you so much. This.
To build out this environment. Great organizations lead to sustained success.
We're going to Mongkok, you guys. I want a picture right there.
Property, no
Ay,
trespassing.
private property pala siya. No trespassing. I'm sorry.
Oh, I want to.
Yeah, look oh. They have a store.
Naghahanap ko si mami ng butas.
Ay, oo pala. Oh, where are they?
Kaya lang, nawala nga tayo doon. Oo, kaya mag-Google Maps kasi yung wala.
Okay guys, we're having trouble looking for the MTR going to Mongkok. Been going around in circles. Yeah. Mateo vomited. We've been going around in circles. Guys, we don't know where the MTR is. And we have been going around in circles already. Like, we've been back and forth this street now. I don't know what street this is, but we've been back and forth now. Oh, yeah, this is it. Going to end. Fast. That was so fast. Right? That was so fast. Oh my gosh, look how deep that is. Whoa. Just walking towards their trains made me remember yung the movie by Jericho Rosales. Jericho Rosales yata yun. Yung nawala yung anak niya. Tapos, oh, what is that? Kung nawala, ayun,
Ni Kuya.
oo. May member of the movie. Yung si Jericho Rosales yata yun, yung nawala yung anak niya. Tapos, nasa Hong Kong siya. Tapos nahanap niya sa Hong Kong yung anak niya na nakaupo sa ganto. Tapos pulubi. Like that.
Parang nandito tayo sa train to Busan.
Ito po. This is Chaos. May isa pa pong ticket. Going to Mongkok po. Let's go, guys. Stay there. Stay there. Go. Click it.
车上乘客落車前往台灣的列車。
Hey guys, so wait, this is our stop now. We're going down at Admiralty Abba. And then we're gonna take the light blue train to go to Mongkok. Yeah. Mongkok East. Okay. Let's go. Dito po dito. Where are we gonna buy? I'm looking for a Starbucks with a big one. Hi! We're here at Mongkok. Guys, we're buying this. Bili na lang tayo ng ice cream. Sige na. Gusto mo ice cream? Ice cream na lang. This mixu. This mixu. I tried this once in the Philippines. And oh, is that Lacho? Can I get 2 mixu ice cream? Yes. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Guys, we got ice cream. Oh, thank you. Good. Whoa. Whoa, that is good. That's good. I wanna try the octopus. Ayun po. Octopus. Ayun po.
Yeah. Me, I'll pay. And this one.
Look at my octopus. It's magnetic. Wait, look at, oh my gosh, my hair. Bun! Oh my gosh.
Tinitaste na to.
That was good.
Pero,
Guys, we're walking to Lungfong. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Lungfong right now because it's like the biggest. I don't know. I'm not sure actually. Ang ingay. It's like the biggest shopping like mall yata. Here, I'm not sure. Guys, it's Lungfong. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's Lungfong! Wow! Guys, I'm so tired na. It's 5:22 p.m. na. Tapos, feeling ko, teka, let me check. Pagod na ako, ang dami kong nilakad today. Naka na ako today. Naka 12,590. I know, it may seem little lang for some, but that's a lot for me. Yeah, so, ito yung, Lungfong? I forgot. So, ang layo ng nilakad namin to get here. Tapos, syempre, once you get here, kailangan maglakad kasi kailangan mo... Wait, medyo nagkikwentuhan sila ate. Ano na yun? Syempre, kailangan pagpasok pa namin, kailangan mo maglakad ulit. Kasi nga, syempre, bibili ka eh, di ba? Shopping ka. Oh man, ang sad na ng pa ako. Ang sad na talaga ng pa ako. But anyways, ito yung mga nabili na, ala, wait, bakit? Bakit siya nag-portrait? What is happening? Okay.
Asan yung keycard mo?
Kunin mo yung keycard mo.
Ito oh.
Guys, look at this. Anong tawag dito, Von? Konjac Shuwang? It's good. Ano siya? Ano to, Von? Octopus to, no? Tapos pag ginana, tapos siya. Sharp.
TikTok ko, di ba siya nagulot?
Hindi naglulog TikTok, no?
Yung ChatGPT sa Hong Kong.
Talaga?
Oh, chinek ko. ChatGPT isn't allowed in your religion.
Wow. Guys, look, our hotel has a Starbucks.
Tapos mag-add ka po ng zero.
I want... parang sa po ng purira.
Bibili pala ako ng ganito bukas.
Really? Bibili ka po ng ano? We're going to 7-Eleven. Hindi ko na nga po alam eh. Hindi nga po yung 7-Eleven eh. Ano po yun eh, parang... Ito kinakain ko. But I'm gonna buy my friends some kasi gusto ko sama-sama kami sa anghang na nararamdaman ko. Grabe naman. Gusto ko. Hey guys, I'm sorry if I looked quite chopped right now. It's because I've been walking around the whole day and I'm gonna do a haul of everything that I bought. That's mine, bro.
No, nasa mo sa akin.
That's mine. Later. Just wait. I'm gonna do a haul. This is a haul of everything that I got. So the first one is this one. Got this for my friends. Oh, bakit butas? Kay Von yung butas. Sorry. Got this for my friends. Tapos, meron pa yung isa eh, yung yellow na pinakita ko kanina. Yung parang cheese yata siya. Ayun. Binili ko rin yun for my friends. Ito kasi parang siyang cookie na may parang marshmallow. Ganun. Sabi niya, chocolate chip mochi cookies. Ano nga to eh? From Korea. Pero yun, bilang ko sila. Bahala na sila maghati-hati dyan. Tapos ito. Ito honestly, hindi ko alam if na-scam ako. Kasi nadala ako kay ate. Sabi niya kasi, oh, so pretty, ganon. So sabi ko, oh, thank you, ate. Thank you. Ganon naman ako kay ate. Ito. Itong dalawang to, 150 Hong Kong dollars. Pero kasi, marami na siya. So, hindi ko alam kung na-scam ba ako or like, I don't know. Pero yun. So, sa mga friends ko, nabibigyan ko nito, dapat ilagay nyo to sa ref nyo Dapat nakita ko talaga yan. I'm telling you that right now. Okay, and then next, I got this one. This is the, baliktad ito. This one. Bakit may tape? This one. I got the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Toner. Alam niyo ba kanina, nung binili ko to, kabang-kaba pa ako kung tama ba. Kakainin mo?
Hindi. Papakot ako sa kaibigan ko.
Buksan mo isa, tikman natin.
Tapos ka na.
Dali na, buksan mo, tikman natin. Ito. So, ito. Kabang-kaba ako kanina nung binili ko to kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng i-open eh. Tapos sabi ko, ito ba yun? Tama ba to? Ganon. Tapos wala. Nung sa labas ko na siya nakita. Tama naman siya. So, ito siya. Ito yun, no? So, this one. It's this one. Wala lang. Akala ko nga mas malaki siya. I don't know. Ay, may ano siya, may expiry date. So, mag-expire na daw siya sa 2028. Okay. And then next, ito sa sister ko to. Oh my gosh! Muntik ako malaglag. Oh my gosh! Ano ba yan? Malalaglag pa ako eh. Ito. Ay, wag. Okay, sige, fine. This one, this is my perfume. I bought a new perfume. This is from Elizabeth Arden. This is the white tea. Mabango siya eh. Actually, alam mo, nag-risk lang ulit ako dito kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng ang amuyin. Wala silang tester. Meron silang testers dun sa iba, pero for this one, wala silang tester. So, nag-risk na lang talaga ako. Sabi ko, fine. Feeling ko naman mabango yung white tea. Kasi meron ako nun yung green tea. Medyo na siya. Mabango siya. Mabango yung Elizabeth Arden na green tea nun. Pero, hindi ko alam. May something missing. Tapos, I feel like, sana, magugustuhan ko na to. Wait. Unbox natin. Okay. Ang hirap naman buksan. Ano ba yan? Masisira yung nails. Okay, there. Here. Uy, ang ganda ng lalagyan. It's this one. Yan. Gusto ko sana bilhin yung nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. But whatever. Ito na lang. Ito na lang mag-focus. Wait. Actually, you like it. Wait. Oh, yeah, I like it. I like this more than the green tea. Kasi yung green tea, hindi ko alam, parang hindi siya ganun ka-fresh. Parang bango siya. Pero ito kasi, nakuha niya yung bango nung green tea, tapos may fresh siya. So, yeah, maganda to. Okay. Next, I'm actually oh no. Oh, hindi, joke lang. Nandito pa siya. OA lang ako. Very excited ako for this one. This is the Kiana Rice pack. Na-try ko na to dati, pero yung sheet mask kasi nila. Tapos, nahiyang ako. So, binili ko to. Tapos, kasi nag-trending siya sa TikTok. So, ito siya. Hindi na siya sheet mask. Ano na to? Papahid mo na lang siya. So, paano mag-form ng shape ng mask. Ito. Pero kasi, hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes ito. Paano papasahin? Okay. And then, last but not the least, I got this. This is the DHC lip cream. Ang dami ko narinig na good reviews about this na sabi nila maganda daw siya sa lips. So, we're gonna try this out. Hindi ko siya mabuksan yung nails ko. Wait, dito ko na lang sa baba open. Sirain ko na yung box. Aray ko. Ang koko ko. Okay. Sabi nila maganda daw to. Hindi ko alam kung paano nila nasabi na maganda. Kaya, gusto ko malaman kung bakit siya maganda. Okay. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Okay. Okay. Ang cute niya. Okay, wait. Teka nga. Oh. Okay. Parang I get the hype. Pero, hindi ko kasi alam kung magkano to eh. So, hindi ko alam kung ma-justify ko ba siya. Kasi parang lang siya, parang, alam mo yung parang maganda siya. Pero para lang siyang, ang pangalan kasi nun? Petroleum jelly na pinatigas. Tapos nilagay dito. Parang ganun, for me. Okay lang, maganda. Pero like, hindi ko kasi alam kung magkano siya. Magkano ba to? Feeling ko mga yan. Mas mahal yan sa petroleum jelly for sure. So, kayo, depende na lang sa inyo kung ano ba talaga. Pero kasi feeling ko too early to tell din naman. Kasi first time ko pa lang naman siyang ilagay. Pero yun, as of now, para lang siyang petroleum jelly na pinatigas. Here. Hi. Huwag mo na ilagay sa box. Huwag mo na ilagay sa box. Sige na. Akin na ako. I-open ko dito sa box. Akin na, i-open ko sa vlog. Okay guys, we're gonna taste test this one. Binilan din kasi ni Von yung friends niya, pero i-open na namin. Sorry.
Isa lang ah.
Sorry, Vanellope's friends. Oo. Okay, open na natin. Ay, ba't ganun? Tapos, uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng package. Alam niyo, feeling ko ngayon natikman ko na to at some point in my life. Kasi hindi ko, alam ko nakikita ko na to dati. Ay, ang galing. Ganda siya. Tingnan mo, Bon, ang galing mo. Ay, ang galing. Ganyan siya. Tapos pwede na ako mag-sari-sari store. Wait. Ito ako isa. Bon ah. Bon. Uy.
Share para sa...
Oo, share tayo. Uy. Ganda ka. Tapos. Alam nyo, joke lang. Natingnan ko na yata to eh. Hindi ko lang maalala kung saan. Sabi niya mochi daw to sa loob eh. Uy! Oh my gosh! Wait! What?
Ay, kailangan na natin.
That's actually so... Oh no. Oh no, nagkalat ako. Wow! It's actually helpful. Sorry, kinakain ko yung crumbs na nagag. Malinis naman yun. Wait.
Sarap.
Hala ka, nagkalat ako. Lasa siyang cookie. May mochi. Wala naman kasi lasa ang mochi eh. Yung...
Yung texture niya.
Diba? Pero masarap. Masarap, cookie. Masarap pa.
Kainin mo na.
Ano na siya? Mga like... ano ba? What's your rating?
7.
Talaga? Like ano? 5 out of 10. Maharap siya, pero cookie na like nabibili mo lang sa ano, hindi siya soft, ganun. Soft siya dahil sa mochi. Pero syempre wala din namang dagdag flavor yung mochi kasi mochi lang naman siya. Ayun. Bye. Oh, what are they gonna do? They're gonna check my bag. I did that. Hi, good morning.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh my god, it's 14 degrees. Pero like, it's 14 lang, no? Parang hindi siya 14. Parang hindi siya 14.
Doon may crocodile.
Parang mga like, -4. Oh my gosh, ang lamig.
May octopus kayo dito.
Oh my gosh, ang lamig. Check your height, Ikaw nga, Bon, check your height. What's your height? 150? Oh no, it's right there. I don't wanna check mine. This is so cool. What is this? Oh wow! This is a crocodile belt and those are crocodile shoes. That is so cool. What are these? Pati ko ba ito pindutin? Feeling ko bawal. Ayoko lumabas ang lamig eh. So nandito kami sa may health cover? I don't know. Labas. We're going in. Bon.
Puta, yan pa
Ano hinanap niya naman? Don't cry! Don't cry, Teo! Don't cry! Don't cry!
Dear user, daily Wi-Fi usage has reached
guys, we're back in the hotel. Naalala niyo to? Yung binili kong ganito kahapon. Ilan pa ng taas? Masarap daw, sabi nila. So, bumili ako ng dalawa. For pasalubong. So, eto. Tikman natin yung isa. Totoo ba masarap? Hindi ko siya tinikman kahapon eh. Mukha lang siyang masarap. Pero sabi ko, hindi na lang ako sa friends ko. Okay. Wait. Patingin natin. Ito guys, akin na po. Patingin na. Ang sarap ngayon ito. Para siyang...
Mali, ito.
Pati din ito eh. Parehas lang sila. Para siyang like... Hindi ko alam. Hindi, ano ba to?
Parehas.
Para siyang... We don't sit on the bed. Para siyang ano? Para siyang... Octopus? I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Basta plus may... Parang lasa nga siyang lachaw. Diba? Tapos tingnan nyo to. Yung coffee ngayon nila sa 7-Eleven. May heater sila para dun sa mga kape. So, mainit yung kape. Wait. Start nga to. Let's try this one first. Wala, hindi ko mabuksan. Guys, nasira yung kuko ko.
Ay, mas madami siya.
Ay, talaga, mas marami yan.
Mas marami. Baka malaki na din.
Ay, kala. Ang hirap naman ito buksan. Hala. Mapapagalitan ako ng tent. Ikaw nga. Kapay mga... Pahinga ako nito isa. Guys, ito yun, oh. Look at this. So, yun. Masarap nga ito. Like, manghang siya. Oo. Sabay tayo, taste test. Halika, tabi ka sa akin, taste test. So, ganito siya. Ito yung isura niya. So, wait lang. Tikman natin. Ay! Ala, nasira. Har. Sarap nga. Har lang. Ala. Okay. Sa mura lang nito. $15. Okay. Got one. Pakita mo yung face mo, halika. Halika, suga dito. Let's go. Go. Ganun ka. Baka marami.
Masarap.
Harap man. May kalasa siya. May kalasa siya pagkain sa Philippines. Pamahap siya. Nakap. Masarap. Dali natin sa Disneyland bukas. Sarap siya, guys. Top. I like it.
Ba't nila tinanggal yung cook natin?
Sarap. Okay, so this one naman. Lasa nga siyang ano, lachaw. Di ba lang?
Iba lang yung texture.
Iba lang yung texture, no? Lasa lang. Pero lasang ganun din lang siya. Tignan nyo to. Diba? Cool. Ay!
Gagi.
Malaglag ko. Ano ba yan? Pa-YouTube paksaw na yan.
Sarap.
Mas maanghang yung isa, no? Kung nakaliwag. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hindi mo sila nalalaman. Yung iba pa ba naka-crop top tapos naka-miniskirt.
Oh my gosh! Oo nga kahapon. Guys, we're in Disneyland.
Yung iba pa di nakala.
Ang gulo na po. Oh my gosh! Oh my God.
Joke lang.
Indicated by a sign above each of the turnstiles. Although some lines may look longer than others, the wait time is the same for each.
There's the way na sa pila, oh. Basta tayo nag-skipping lang.
If you sit in the back, you will get super wet.
Oh!
If you have shampoo, you can sit in the back. You can take a bath.
Okay, thank you so much. Guys, ang mahal nung kape nila, $42. Dapat dapat hanggang bukas ako gising dyan. Sinasabi ko na 42. Flat white. Hindi ba't ano lang yun? Gatas. Anong gatas yan? Anong kauba yan? Naiinis ako ha. $42. Magkano yun kapag peso? Hey guys, it's... Ano? Ay, hala, ba't nag-zoom? It's... 12:35. Let's do a Sasa haul. Sasa haul. Okay, Vanellope rolls first. So what did you buy from Sasa?
Lip cream.
Okay.
I already opened it.
This is the... Ang ingay nila. We're at McDonald's. Tingnan mo yung McDo nila. May veranda sa labas. Ang ganda ng view. Wait. Ngayon nung mga bata, nag-field trip sila. Ito yun. Yeah, sorry. No, somebody sitting. Sorry. This is the DHC lip cream. Maganda siya.
Ganda.
Okay. Okay, next.
The next one is Coach. It's floral.
Yeah. And then next, what's next?
The next is
Laura.
loose setting powder. Laura
Mercier.
Mercy.
Yeah. Okay, my turn. So I got this from Sasa. I only got 3 items. So the first one that I got is this one. It's like a ano na to? Eyelash grower serum. Hindi ko nga to binuksan sa loob eh. I'm curious ako kung ano siya. Kasi low-key, medyo nisi-stress na ako sa eyelashes ko kasi lagi ako nagalagay ng cluster lashes. And it's not healthy for your lashes. So ayun, I wanted to try this one. Ooh, okay. I hope it works. And then the next one that naririnig nyo ba kami? And then the next one that I got is the same one. I also got the Laura Mercier setting powder. This one. Let me open it. Wala siya. Ay, it doesn't come with the pot? Okay. So, ito siya.
Tinan mo.
Yeah, this is it. Ah, we should have bought a powder. Hindi, bili na lang tayo mamaya dun sa tapat ng hotel.
Wala na nga.
Hindi, pupunta pa tayo dun. And then next, I got this one. This is a perfume. I got another perfume. This is Chloe. Sabi lang nila mabango to. Ha? Anuin ko pa po siya.
Mami, wala po siyang ano.
Why wala po siyang powder?
Wala po
Pa.
siyang powder. Bili na lang tayo.
Apo.
Marami na nga siya.
This one.
Saka ba yan?
I'm gonna smell it. It looks like this. Wait.
Thank you.
Mmm!
Bango yan.
Bango nga po.